what I want to show you now is HTML block and inline element. What do you understand by HTML block and inline elements? Let's start. Let's create a file, block and inline elements. Let's call it block.html. Click here to run it. You can see. Okay. So block and inline elements. We all know the meaning of elements. All these elements. Okay. So what is now the difference between block and inline? So inline means something that goes on a straight line. In fact, if we had contents, it will still be on a straight line. For example, if I have B Said close B. What is B? B is for bold. You can see. You can see bold B. If I now have I, let's see what will happen. You can see it's still on a straight line. Let me add U on the line. You can see on the way I'm adding them elements. This is a tag, close tag. I'm adding them and they are still on a straight line. Let me add another one. As you can see, they are on a straight line. So all these type of elements, if let me add one more, span. All of them, they are on a straight line. So they call them inline elements. These are not the only inline element. We have many inline elements. So among them is this. Among them, so we have many. In fact, img, this image is still inline. It is still inline elements. Okay, now let me now show you block. Block elements are like this. Div Said. This div is block element. Why do I call it block element? I write the first let me add another one. Another one like P. Welcome. P also is a block element. You know, it's like before. When I run this, Said and welcome, they are on a straight line. Let's see whether this one will be on a straight line. It is not on a straight line. Definitely this one is a block element. Let me add another block element. Let me add section. No, let me use form. So maybe I want to put some inputs, or let me just put text inside and see. You see another line. So there's some other elements that are block elements. So among them is this div, p, form. So if you want something that be on a straight line, do not use all this type of elements. So like for example, maybe I want to customize Facebook. You know, we have Facebook like this. I want this double O to have color red. So if you want to do it now, there is just the oh no, let it be bold first. Do it like this. The book, close this B. What will happen to that double O? It will be bold. You can see double O, that double O is bold. So you want that double O to change to another color now. You use this font. There is something called font. This font also is inline. So color red. What is that in? O, close it. Then before K. Let's run this. You can see space is here. You can see that my book is red. Now, what if you want to achieve this kind of thing, you must use element that is in line. That is, I mean, inline element. That's what you can use so that what you are doing will continue from where you stop. This is O. You want O to join to this B, so you must use inline element. Unlike you using div to achieve this, div is a come down. It's a come down. Though div does not have any color like it, and like an attribute. So let's have it like this color, red. See, it comes down. Why? Because div is not inline. It can never be inline. So we use font or span. Let me use span for you now. You can use span book. You can see that our O is still on a straight line. How can you now achieve that red? Style, color, red. So that is inline and block element. After this, before let's quickly go to classes and ID. So let's check how classes works before I explain how ID works. Okay, in classes, let's have one thing like div. So this div should tell me more about food. Let's say food. Okay, now which type of food do I want to talk about? You know, I explained about eating. Maybe I want to talk about amala and with okay. What little details about this amala? We need to generate sentence. The way I normally do it, less than. Yeah, I do tell you that you should not forget this thing. There's one less than there. Do not forget it. You need to remove it. You need to remove it. So let me quickly remove that. How you remove it? Remove it like this. This center is too long. It's too long. So you can reduce it like this. Yeah. So let me refresh. Oh, too big. Okay, you can see what I just do now. Now, is this amala the heading and this P, they are both inside something called this. They are both inside a div. What I now classify that div as food so that they will know that I'm talking about food. That's I classify it as food. If you now want to design this place, you've come to CSS here, style. If you want to style this div, in fact, if you want to style anything there, H3, P, and this div, you don't need to type div again. Unlike before that we normally div, no. This is food. Just call upon food. This food, we have already known that we are dealing with everything here. Just call upon food. Type food. But what is this? This is class. How will you now use class in CSS? You use dots. Dots. So this dot means you are dealing with class name. What is now the name? Food. You can say food. This is class. That's why I use dots. Background color black. Let's check what I just do now. You see that I'm calling upon what? If I just put only food, it will not work. But dot must be there. Why? Because this is class. So dot must be there. This.